Do you want the 240 here?
Well, it's a little too late now. Alright, so this is the new 8 GPU miner that we just built the other day. It's been running nice and stable for a couple days in this building. This building has limited power though, and so we've had to downclock this rig a little bit just to make sure that we don't trip the breakers again. So we overdrew just a little bit. But so what we're going to do tonight is we're going to show you the room where this rig is going to go and where we're going to put our miners, because we just got two brand new 240 volt outlets and we have easy window access to run oil loops with and stuff like that. So we'll go over there now and show you that room, and then in the next couple days we'll move this thing out there and get it overclocked. Going up there making noise. This will be the first version of the little farm here. We'll try to get everything in this room, and that way we can control the temperature better. The oil baths for the miners, we'll probably put one here that's maybe a single miner oil bath, and then we'll put one at the other outlet. And basically we'll run our cooling hoses right out the window so that they're not like permanently installed. And then we just have to install radiators outside, and those will be fairly temporary setups as well, so that we can reconfigure them if we want to. The radiators and the oil baths come in kits, and there's a couple different suppliers for those. So once we know what miners we'll get, we'll know which oil baths to get to, because some of them have limited sizes, and some of the miners they make now are bigger than the standard older versions. So we'll have to be a little careful with picking which oil bath to get for the miners. I had my friend install some new 240 volt outlets that will power these higher end miners, especially the ASICs. They draw a lot more power than GPU rigs do, so yeah, we should be able to get at least 4,500 watts with safety factors. We probably won't push it very much, but yeah, we should be able to get at least one full power miner like a S21 or something for Bitcoin with no issues on each one of these. And then we still don't know exactly what miners we're going to get. We're kind of looking around, but some of them do use lower draw, so we might be able to squeeze two onto each circuit, but we'll see. So this is obviously a 240 volt input PDU, and the outputs are just a lot higher power rated than what you would buy at Best Buy. So this thing basically just will act as kind of a surge protector for higher end power draw.
Do you want the 240 here?
Well, it's a little too late now. They fit right in there, and each PDU will have basically the right amount of draw for the systems we're putting on them. In the next video, we'll be running the machine, and we'll talk about the overclock settings that we're going to try and what coins we'll be going after.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.